Simon here, how are you? We're going to do a reshoot today of Both Sides Now by Joni Mitchell. It's a lesson I did quite a while ago. I had some feedback on it, and so I want to try and make it as good as I can for you guys. So I'm going to do a reshoot. What we're going to do is I'm going to play every section through before I teach it. That should make it nice and clear. If you want to see a full play through of the tune, I'm going to have that up at Patreon, where I also will have the chart. The most important part probably is the tuning of the guitar. You need to tune to an open D chord and then put a capo on the 4th fret. I'll put the notes for that on screen now. All right, so let's kick it off. This is how the intro goes. Right, so we've played 2 chords there. We've got open D and this, which is like a G add 9 over D. Right, so the strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. And so when you go up, down on the and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, that's where the G is, okay? And that repeats 4 times. Then we get into the verse. This is how the verse sounds. Dissect that. Now, throughout this section there are some different strumming patterns, so you just need to keep an eye on the chart but make sure that you are going down and up in the right places. Now, you're always going to go down on the 1 of the bar, the 2 of the bar, the 3 of the bar, the 4 of the bar, and all the ands you come up. So, for example, in that first bar we've got 2 chords. They are D major 7, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 0, and 0, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0. So we've got D major 7 and then G add 9 from the intro, right? So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So what you saw there is I'm going down on the 1, down on the 2, up on the and after the 2, down on the 3, up, you're hitting them, 4 and. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Second bar, we're going to play a new chord. Leave your index finger on the 3rd string. Move your 2nd finger up, so you've got 0, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2 on the top string. That section goes. Right, so we've got A7. This is an A7. A7, 1 and 2, open 3 opens, G, D. Okay. The 3rd bar we have some more opens, and at the end of the bar we're going to this A7 sus4. So it's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. This 3rd and 4th bar is probably easier to think of it like that A7 sus4 that straddles 3rd and 4th bar. There's kind of one part together, right? Because that is the 1 of the next bar. Okay, so that line is going to sound like this: D, A7 sus4, D, D. This chord here is a D with an A bass. We've got 0, 0, 4, 3, 0, 4. And then we're going to come down, up with the strumming because it's on an off beat. On beat, off. All right, so we've got effectively 1 and 2 and 3 and A7. Open, D, A7. Okay, that's bars 1 to 4 of the verse. Okay, now bars 5 to 8 of the verse are much easier. So we are going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. see there that we've just got this 1, 2, and situation happening. So D major 7, G add 9, A7 sus 4. That's bars 5 and 6, bars 7 and 8 are almost exactly the same with a riff at the end. Okay, awesome. Now, the second half of this verse is basically exactly the same as the first half, with the exception that at the end there, the riff, that is the one of the bar, whereas we had started on this D major 7 before. So you do the same sort of thing, so linking from one section of that verse to the next bit. Okay, so I'll just go from that part into the chorus so you can hear what it sounds like. Let's see how that works. Now, we've got some tricky strumming stuff here. We are going to start at the very beginning of that chorus, the riff, and then open, that's on a down. Then we get to D over A. So, okay, so that is basically 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. Okay, so right, bars 3 and 4 of the chorus are actually the same, so you just need to repeat this figure. You're going to go down, up, miss, up, down, up. So D over A, A7, D. Then we are going to go into bars 6 and 7, and that goes. Pretty easy again, so you're just going to do this D major 7, G add 9, strum, 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 open at the end. That's all pretty okay, right? All right, then we're heading into this sort of bit with the beautiful ringy belly bits. So it goes. So we're starting here again on D major 7. We're going to go down, up, down to G, and then on the up we're open, right? So we've got. A7 sus 4, and then we hit the top string, third string, second, fourth, third, sixth. So if you go up, down, up, down, up, down, much easier to hit them that way, right? And then just walk up on the beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's from the fourth string, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then we've got the interlude, which is the same as we had the first time round. She does change it around a little bit, so you've got that down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay? And that is all the bits that you need for Joni Mitchell's Both Sides. Now, I hope this has helped you out. If you have any questions or you need the chart or you want to just get hold of me, you can put a comment. If you want the chart, you can grab that at Patreon. I will see you next time. I hope this lesson has helped out and it was clear. I will see you later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.